So what we're going to be doing then is at the roundabout we're going to go to Fenny Stratford.
Okay.
It's going to be the 4th exit.
4th.
It's going to be a right turn. On the roundabout there's going to be 3 and 4 lanes at some point. So we're going to start on the right.
We can move now?
Not yet, it's too
Not
soon.
yet.
I'm just telling you what we're going to do. We're going to be starting on the right lane.
Yes.
When we get halfway around, we're going to come to the middle lane.
Okay.
And then we're going to come off to the left lane to get off. All right?
Yes.
Because we can't stay in the right lane all the way, otherwise we'll never get across the lanes. So he's telling you they've got roadworks
Yes.
in 800 yards. Have a look what's happening behind you. And just see the sign saying traffic lights. Let's start changing lanes. So there's the lights in the distance.
Yes.
It's going to be the 4th exit.
4th.
All right. See on that sign there it says Bletchley, Fenny Stratford, 4th exit. Yeah?
Yes.
That's what we're doing, yeah. Okay?
We will use that one.
So we'll start off in the right lane.
So we will not be in this one?
Nope, we're going down there.
That one.
That'll be the 5th exit to come back.
Oh, okay.
There's quite a few exits on it. And you want the lights to be on red when you get here, so it clears all the traffic in front of you.
Oh.
So I always count the exits off. There's your 1st exit on the left.
So I start to count that one. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. When we get towards 2, we're going to move to the middle. Here we go. So when we get halfway around, we're going to move to the middle. There's your 1st exit just gone by. Here comes your 2nd exit. See the white line in the right coming out? Into the middle you come.
So come here.
Yeah. And start slowing down. It says Fen on it. And then there's your 3rd exit. So take your time, don't rush. As we go past it, we're going to come to the left. Check your left side, left signal, come across. Come across, come across.
Come across here.
Yeah, you want to get into the left lane. You don't, otherwise you're going to miss it and go back on.
Yes.
Like he is.
Okay.
Get it? So it's kind of pre-planning it.
Wow.
Do you want to do that one again?
Yes, please.
So we're going to be doing a right turn, 4th exit at the roundabout. That's it, you check your mirrors. So remember, on these big ones, you start off on the right. At some point, you come to the middle, which is going to be the 2nd exit, isn't it, for us? And then you start to plan to get off. So it's the 4th exit. That's it. So there's your 1st exit on the left. There's your 2nd exit. See the white line coming into the middle for you? You follow it in, check your left mirror at the same time. It says Fen on it. Now keep an eye on the lights. As you pass this one, there's your 3rd exit. Don't signal yet. Slow down, slow down. Slow down. Slow down. 4th exit, remember.
Wow.
Yeah. 4th exit. That was the 3rd, wasn't it? You're rushing. You're rushing. You've got to take your time on it. Ready? You got to try it again.
I don't know.
Should we move on then?
Sure, yeah.
We'll come back to another day.
Yes.
All right. But what you've got to say is, when you're going round, you don't have to go fast, fast, fast. Just go at a safe speed. And it's easy for you then. You'll have more time to see the exits. You're rushing the last 2.